Welcome to Tech Bytes and News, your daily roundup of articles featured in Hacker News. Today, we're diving deep into a fascinating legal battle brewing between Dino and Oracle over the JavaScript trademark. It's a wild ride, folks.
A trademark dispute? Sounds juicy. I've heard whispers about this. What's the core issue here?
Essentially, Oracle holds the trademark for JavaScript, despite having virtually no involvement in its development or maintenance. Deno, the company behind the Deno runtime, is challenging this. It's a David versus Goliath story.
Right, I remember the open letter. Thousands of developers signed it. But what's Oracle's defense? I mean, how can they justify this?
That's the kicker. Oracle's response is underwhelming, to say the least. They essentially said, yeah, we used a Node.js screenshot in our trademark renewal, but it doesn't matter because we also submitted another specimen. They're trying to ignore the blatant misuse of a screenshot from a project they had nothing to do with.
Wow. So they're admitting to using a Node.js screenshot but claiming it's irrelevant? That's audacious. What about the other specimen?
It's a screenshot of Oracle JET, a UI toolkit. But, it's not a standalone JavaScript runtime like Node.js or Deno. It's a far cry from representing the actual use of the JavaScript trademark in the broader sense. It raises serious questions about the legitimacy of their claim.
So they're essentially saying, we used a misleading image, but we also had another image, so it's fine? That's not how legal arguments work, is it? This seems like a clear case of, well, fraud, right?
Exactly. Deno's petition highlights 3 key points. Genericness. JavaScript is a language, not an Oracle product. Abandonment. Oracle doesn't control or maintain it. And fraud. The misleading evidence in their renewal. Oracle's response completely sidesteps the fraud claim, trying to delay the process.
And what's the impact of this delay? What are the implications?
It's a strategic move by Oracle to stall the proceedings. They're hoping to avoid the core argument, whether JavaScript is even a trademarkable term. It's a classic legal tactic, unfortunately. This leaves Delano with a tough choice. Drop the fraud claim or spend months fighting a procedural battle.
It's frustrating to see such blatant disregard for the truth and the open source community. This isn't just about Deno. It's about the principle of open standards and the integrity of the trademark system. What can we do?
Spread awareness. Share this story. Sign the open letter and support Deno in their fight. This isn't just a tech issue. It's a matter of principle. We need to hold corporations accountable for their actions, especially when they try to manipulate the legal system. This whole situation highlights the potential for abuse within the trademark system. It's a wake-up call, really.
Absolutely. It's a crucial battle for the future of open source software and the integrity of the trademark system. Thanks for breaking this down for us. This is a story we'll definitely be following.
You're welcome. And that's all the time we have for today's Tech Bytes and News. Thanks for tuning in, and remember to stay informed and engaged. Goodbye.
Bye-bye.